Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayanshola Ogundele. Space Odyssey, a space-based intellectual quest, Pacesetter for the innovative artificial intelligence technological advancements. Space Odyssey, a space-bound intellectual quest narrative that depicts a long adventurous journey through our space, often with profound philosophical and metaphysical themes, describes an epic tale of exploration and discovery within the cosmos, often involving human evolution, the relationship with technology, and encounters with the unknown. Due to the iconic work of science fiction's 2001 A Space Odyssey, created by author Clarke and Stanley Kubrick, the term Space Odyssey has become a common descriptor for other science fiction stories and real-world space exploration initiatives that involve epic scale or profound themes. The 2001 A Space Odyssey was based on the seed idea in the Sentinel that an alien civilization left an object on the moon to alert them to humankind's attainment of space travel. Also, the fiction follows a journey from prehistoric apes to a mission to Jupiter, involving a mysterious black monolith that influences human evolution. The story includes a critical confrontation between a human astronaut and the mission Sentinel computer, the artificial intelligence R9000. One of the notable features of the Space Odyssey was the Discovery 1 spacecraft, a fictional nuclear-powered spacecraft, and a long-distance interplanetary vessel crewed by humans and controlled by artificial intelligence R9000. The alien monoliths are mysterious black rectangular devices in the 2001 A Space Odyssey, created by an unseen alien race known as the Firstborn in order to guide humanity's evolution. The focus points are as follows: the dawn of humanity and desire to explore outer space, Space Odyssey, the monoliths, and Space Odyssey spaceship discovery. The dawn of humanity. From the earliest times, humans have looked at their surroundings and wondered what lay beyond their immediate environment. This basic curiosity prompted ancient voyagers and pioneers to cross seas and explore new continents, seeking new resources and knowledge. Exploration has always been linked to improving human existence, whether by finding better hunting grounds, establishing trade routes, or seeking more hospitable environments. Illustration of Space Odyssey spaceship in 2001 A Space Voyage is shown in this picture. The pragmatic and existential motivations of the desire to explore are as follows: resource acquisition. Other celestial bodies are believed to contain vast natural resources and energy sources that could be exploited for profit and to benefit humanity. Species survival. Exploring and colonizing space could be a way to ensure humanity's long-term survival against potential threats on Earth, such as nuclear war, climate change, or pandemics. Scientific and technological advancement. The pursuit of space exploration drives technological innovation that benefits life on Earth, fields like medicine, computing, and transportation. A 2001 Space Odyssey attachment of an astronaut into spaceship is shown in this picture. Historical context of space exploration. From wonder to reality. The desire to explore space was a concept in science fiction and myth long before technology made it possible. The mid-20th century saw the start of human physical exploration, with the space race driven by geopolitical competition, which began with uncrewed flights and culminated in crewed missions to Earth orbit and the Moon. International cooperation, modern efforts such as International Space Station and Artemis Accords represent a shift towards international cooperation in space exploration. Images from the 2001 Space Odyssey is shown in this picture. Space Odyssey describes an epic tale of exploration and discovery within the cosmos, often involving human evolution, relationship with technology, and encounters with the unknown. It's a science fiction narrative that depicts a long, adventurous, and searching journey through outer space, often with profound philosophical and metaphysical themes. Two frames from 2001 A Space Odyssey showing a flying home and a satellite in space is shown in this picture. Science fiction 2001 A Space Odyssey is a 1968 epic science fiction film produced and directed by Stanley Kubrick, who co-wrote the screenplay with Clarke. Its plot was inspired by several short stories optioned from Clarke, primarily The Sentinel, written in 1951, and Encounter in the Dawn in 1953. The film deals with a voyage by astronauts, scientists, and the Sentinel supercomputer HAL 9000 to Jupiter in order to investigate an alien monolith. The film gave scientifically accurate depiction of spaceflight, pioneering special effects and ambiguous themes. Zero gravity effect, a scene from 2001 Space Odyssey, is shown in this picture. 2001 Space Odyssey introduces the mysterious alien monoliths, evolution of humanity from apes like ancestors, journeying of the Discovery 1 spacecraft, and Sentinel AI HAL 9000. The novel diverges from the film in some key aspects, such as the Discovery's destination being Saturn rather than Jupiter. The sequel follows a joint American and Soviet expedition to Jupiter in order to investigate the abandoned Discovery 1 and the monolith orbiting the planet, is 2010 Odyssey 2 of 1982. The star child looking upon the Earth is shown in this picture. There are different series of Space Odyssey, which are 2061 Odyssey 3. This book details Edward Flaws, a character from the first two stories, Journey to Alice Comet and Europa. 3001 The Final Odyssey jumps 1,000 years into the future. The frozen body of astronauts is discovered and revived. Illustration of the HAL 9000 computer case based on Stanley Kubrick's film of 2001 A Space Odyssey is shown in this picture. Space Odyssey Spaceship Discovery. Spacecraft Discovery is a fictional spacecraft appearing in the Space Odyssey series. The ship is a nuclear-powered interplanetary spaceship crewed by two men and controlled by the onboard computer HAL 9000. The Discovery was initially built to survey Jupiter's moons. However, after a monolith was discovered on the moon, the mission was secretly retasked to investigate the source of a signal from another monolith that was being emitted towards Jupiter. Fictional Discovery 1 spaceship, as depicted in the original film 2001 The Space Odyssey, is shown in this picture. Technology and design. The spaceship's design is known for its realism, featuring a separation between the habitation module and the engines and the nuclear power source. HAL 9000, the ship's onboard computer HAL 9000, is a key element controlling the vessel's systems and interaction with the human crew. Modern replica of the Discovery 1 spaceship is shown in this picture. The alien monoliths are mysterious black rectangular devices created by an unseen alien race known as the Firstborn in order to guide humanity's evolution. Alien monoliths appeared at crucial moments in history in order to provide a knowledge, such as giving primitive apes the first tool, sending a signal to Jupiter when humans reach the moon, and transforming astronauts David Boatman into the Star Child. Lens of the L9000 supercomputer is shown in this picture. Technology and design are as follows. Catalyst for evolution. The monoliths act as a form of external artificial intelligence which accelerates the development of life. The first monolith, appearing in prehistoric Africa, teaches primitive apes to use tools, helping them to survive and giving them a leap in intelligence. The lunar monolith, buried on the moon. This monolith was a burglar alarm that sent a signal to counterparts near Jupiter, where humans discovered it. Astronauts inside spaceship of 2001 A Space Odyssey is shown in this picture. The Jovian monolith. This monolith sends signal to a higher level monolith which then transports astronaut Bowman to a new stage of his existence. The Star Child. Bowman is transformed by the monolith into the Star Child. And the symbolism. The monolith can be interpreted in multiple ways, from a physical representation of the movie screen to a symbol of humanity's evolutionary journey. Centrifuge of the film 2001 A Space Odyssey is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to Space Odyssey, a space-based intellectual quest, Pacesetter for the innovative artificial intelligence technological advancements, with a focus point the dawn of humanity and desire to explore outer space. Space Odyssey, The Monolith, and Space Odyssey Spaceship Discovery by Dr. Anyashola Ogundele. Thank you.